Ooh.
Fancy announcement to us that it's being recorded. I don't know if that ends up in the recording. Anyway, this is the September 27th core team meeting. We are all trying out fancy new Zoom features. But let's get started with the agenda. The first item to check in on is team-wide stand-up meeting, Florian to create guidelines for teams and send them out.
All right. I still need to do that. If anyone feels like taking this over, it may help. Otherwise, yeah, I can try doing it next week. Just don't want to squat this task.
Okay. Nico's not here. So we're going to skip getting the gaming working group on the website. And we're going to skip stage RC, stage design, whatever we call it. Legal issues. Florian, any updates?
We still need to hear back from Infra about what the current retention policies are, that we can put them into the policy, that we can finally get it merged on the website.
Okay.
That would actually be pressing.
I will ping Pietro. And there was like an email address that didn't exist yet. Does that exist now?
I think, yeah, Peter created it as far as I understood.
Okay, I will follow up with Pietro. Anything on the licensing copyright?
No. One thing that I would like to mention is that on any project where we feel like our licensing is where we need to relicense, please, like, we would need to change the license. Please take care that if we merge pull requests, we should do that only from people that we know and ask them before, like, hey, there might be relicensing happening. Would that be okay with you? So it's not like we cannot accept requests. Nico had raised that issue. It's more for anything new that comes, it shouldn't make the situation worse. And with everyone who's involved in the project, I'm pretty sure that we can be like, just, hey, would it be okay if, would you give us sign off?
Which things might need relicensing?
This our port from the LLVM AP float library. And the problem is it was ported before the LLVM was relicensed to Apache 2, which so it's currently under University of Berkeley license. We misdeclared that. It's a benign issue in the sense of we know the problem and there's currently no complaint. We just need to get that in order. Yeah. It's also not a high trend library, so.
Yeah. Okay. Florian, white papers?
Still pushed back because of the report that I'm currently writing.
Mm-hmm. Community subteam for the websites, Florian or Manish? Anything?
Still not moved.
Okay, Manish and Florian website slogan modification?
No.
Nothing? Okay. Planning update, all hands 2020. I understand there is or will be a meeting scheduled soon?
There has been definitely tons of infrastructure setup happening, and the meeting will happen soon. I've only been following along, but because Nico is not here, so that has moved quickly this week.
Okay. Roadmap planning, Nico started a paper doc and sent that out. Steve, has Nico talked with you about writing a blog post about blog posts? Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to write that blog post soon.
Okay, so I'm changing this to be assigned to you
Cool.
instead of assigned to Nico to ask you.
Seems great.
Okay. And survey stuff is assigned to Nico again.
Yeah, I also send out 2 emails to a couple of people that I know that might have relevant skill sets. If you know anyone who would be willing to take this over that has a social sciences background and moved into computer sciences, so knows how to design surveys in wording, especially, just also feel free. I have a small block of I have a small description of the tasks. So I will throw that up on a paper after this meeting so that you can also approach other people.
Okay. Anything else for the open part of the meeting? Okay, then if Manish would switch the recording, please.